Yes, students, now we are going to start the concept of area of a trapezium. Trapezium is a figure where one pair is parallel and one pair is non-parallel, this kind of figure. If we consider this side as A and this side as B, and if height of trapezium is h, then area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel heights into height. A plus B stands here for the parallel sides. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Now see the question, area of trapezium is already given. So you will write down area of trapezium 248 square meters. But we know that area is this as per the formula. Height is given 8. One of the parallel side is smaller than other by 4. Means if one is x, another one is x minus 4. One of the parallel side is smaller than by other by 4. अगर एक x है तो दूसरी x minus 4 होगी. Let us put the values. A is x minus 4, B is x, and h height is also given 4. Let us put it here. When we do the cutting on the table of 2, now this 2 is in multiplication. We'll send this 2 in the division. You will get 1 to 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to 1 to 4. 4 is in subtraction. Send it in addition. That is 1 to 8. Now 2 is again in multiplication. Send it in division. So one side is 64. The another side is 68. Because x is 64, sorry, if x is 64, this will be 60. One is 64, another will be 60. You can verify whether your answer is right or wrong by putting it in the formula. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. (248) and see it was given 248. So yes, the parallel sides are 60 and 64. आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो x is 64, x minus 4 is 64 minus 4, 60 meters. ये भी meters, ये भी meters. This is for your purpose only to check whether you are right or wrong. ये आप करके नहीं दिखाओगे ये वाला. Rest is only part of work. Hence the parallel sides are 64 meter and 60 meter. Correct? Yes, students, now let us start 36th question. It is very important question and maximum time it is a problem of every child. This kind of questions are where you are given parallel sides and measurement of non-parallel sides, but height is not given. You have to find out area of this trapezium. You are given measurement of parallel sides and non-parallel side, but height is not given. तो ऐसे questions को कैसे करना है? सबसे पहले you will draw a line which is parallel to the this side. इस side के parallel हो. You have to construct it. Construct a line AE in such a way that AE is parallel to BC. हमने construct करी है. अब because it is a trapezium, ये दोनों तो पहले ही parallel थे. Because one pair is parallel. AB was parallel to EC already. क्योंकि opposite sides are parallel of a trapezium one pair. और एक हमने parallel कर दी. तो ये parallelogram बन गया AEC. AECB is a parallelogram. पैरेललोग्राम में ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. तो इफ दिस इज 13, दिस इज 13, दिस इज 15, दिस इज 15. 13 इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ EC. ये 13 है, टोटल 25 है. तो DE का मेजरमेंट आ सकता है 25 माइनस 13, दैट इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमारे पास DE आ गया 12 सेंटीमीटर. करेक्ट. नाउ वी आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग हाइट. हमने हाइट कंस्ट्रक्ट कर ली. We have constructed height of the side. बच्चा देखो, now ये दो triangles हैं, the smaller one triangles. I'll dark it for you. I'll make it easy for you. कि there are two triangles. ADE की बात करते हैं. We have ADE where this is 15, this is 15. These both are equal. Height is common. हाइट कॉमन हो गई, हाइट इज कॉमन, दीज टू आर इक्वल एंड एंगल इज 90, एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. तो बाय RHS, R स्टैंड्स फॉर राइट एंगल, दोनों में एक राइट एंगल है, दोनों का हाइपोटेन्यूज सेम है, HHS एक साइड भी सेम है विच इज दिस. तो बाय RHS दीज टू आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. जो मेजरमेंट इसका होगा, लेट इट बी P, DP का होगा, वही मेजरमेंट PE का होगा. करेक्ट, दीज टू आर इक्वल. तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ अब, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक कि दोनों इक्वल है. अगर टोटल 12 है, ये 6 हाफ हाफ हो गए. अब हाफ हाफ करने के लिए भी रीजन चाहिए, यू कांट डायरेक्टली राइट इट कि ये 6 है, यू नीड अ रीजन फॉर दैट. So now you have a black triangle where this is 6, this is 15, this is right angle. You can apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. It is 2 to 5 minus 36. 189 स्क्वायर आगे यहाँ पे बन जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट. 189 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 17. नाउ यू आर हैविंग हाइट ऑल्सो. अब आपके पास हाइट आ गई. सो सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इज दिस, हाइट इज दिस, and your question is done. Multiply it, you'll get your answer. I hope it's clear to you. It was very, very, very important question. It is one of the example also. Example bhi hai ek. See this question and complete it. Don't skip this question. It is really very important. Thanks and have a nice day.